Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Grid. Grid means grading. For example, the metal grids had been pulled across the foyer. The metal grids had been pulled across the foyer. Synonyms: grading, mesh, gauze.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Suspended ceilings are hung from the ceiling joists with a metal grid. Now, repeat after me. Suspended ceilings are hung from the ceiling joists with a metal grid. The second exemplar. The metal grid on the front panel facilitates ventilation of the device. Now, repeat after me. The metal grid on the front panel facilitates ventilation of the device. The third exemplar. Simple window grids prevent falls, but still let in plenty of air and sunlight. Now, repeat after me. Simple window grids prevent falls, but still let in plenty of air and sunlight.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word set has the highest number of definitions in the dictionary. It clocks in at a whopping 464. Can you believe that?
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.